Assalamualaikum dear students of class 8. I am your teacher Mushtaq Ahmed, subject teacher computer at Beria Foundation College, Noshar Firoz. Dear students, in the last lecture we had studied about the conversion of octal number systems into decimal number system. Today we are going to convert hexadecimal number system into decimal number system. So dear students, let's on book page number 7. The topic of today's discussion is conversion of decimal values into decimal number system. Dear students, as you noted, hexadecimal number system is one of the number system which is base 16 number system. Now dear student, the question of conversion hexadecimal number system into decimal number system is that how hexadecimal number system or how hexadecimal values are converted into decimal number system. Students, hexadecimal values are converted into decimal number system with the help of expansion method. Expansion method is used whenever a number is going to be converted into decimal number system. So whenever hexadecimal number systems are converted into decimal number system, we apply an expansion method in which we will multiply each number of value with 16 and later on we will put the powers starting from 0. Dear students, here is an example on book page number 7. The example is to convert F8 into its decimal equivalent. Dear students, as you know that in hexadecimal number system, from 1 to 9 means first 10 digits are represented in numeric form and remaining 6 digits are represented with alphabetic letters. So dear students, as you know that F is equal to 15. So here we will write 15 instead of F and we will multiply with hexadecimal numbers base, that is 16. Now in the value there are two numbers. One is F8 hexadecimal number is converted into decimal number system, so we will write equivalent number of F, that is 15, and we will multiply 15 with 16. Dear students, another number is 8 and we will multiply 8 also with 16. Later on we will put the powers on each base of each digit. Dear students, we will put 0 and 1. In the first bracket we have put 0 and in this bracket we have put 1. Since F is equal to F is equal to 15, so 15 are multiplied with 16 instead of F. F into 16, first of all we will solve the power of 16, that is 1. It means we will multiply 16 with 1, there will be 16. Whenever second one is 8 and we will multiply, first of all we will solve the powers of the bracket. There is the power 0 on, there is power 0 on 16, so we will multiply 16 with 0, 16 into 0, there will be answer will be 0, but in this conversion 0 is equal to 1. So we will multiply 8 with 1. When we will multiply 15 into 16, the answer will be 240, and when we will multiply 8 into 1, the answer will be 8. Now we will add, or we will perform addition of both numbers. 240 plus 8, there will be 248. So dear students, F8 is equal to 248 decimal. It means hexadecimal number system, that is F8 is equal to 248 decimal number system. One thing should be kept in our mind, that we will, whenever we will talk about the number systems, we will have to read the given value in a bracket or in a number system counting number by number system. It means we will have to say that 248 base 10. So dear students, there is another example of converting hexadecimal number system into decimal number system. That is example number 2 is convert 5C6 8 16 hexadecimal number system into its decimal equivalent. So dear student, as we are already aware that whenever hexadecimal number system is converted into decimal number system, we use expansion method, and in expansion method we will multiply each number of value with the base of hexadecimal number system. So first of all, we will multiply 5 with 16. C12 are represented in hexadecimal number system instead of C, or in other words we can say in hexadecimal number system C is equal to 12. Here we will multiply, or we will write 12 instead of C, and will multiply with the base of hexadecimal number system, that is 16, and number 6 is also multiplied with the base of hexadecimal number system. 8 is also multiplied with 16 is the base of hexadecimal number system. The mean of saying is that the given value of hexadecimal number system is multiplied with its base to achieve the answer of the decimal number system. Whenever we will multiply each digit with the base of hexadecimal number system, later on we will put the powers starting from right side to the left side. So here we will write 0, 1, 2, 3. So dear students, it is the rule of the mathematics, whenever some numbers are in power form, first of all we should solve them, later on we should multiply, and finally we should add the numbers to gain the last answer of the question. So students, here we will multiply 16 into 3, means 16 should be multiplied 3 times. 16 should be multiplied 3 times. Although there is the power 3 on 16, this means we will multiply 16 3 times. 16 into 16, 16 into 16. When we will multiply these numbers, the answer will be 20480. The answer will be 20480. So dear students, here we will multiply 16 with 3. It means we will multiply 16 3 times. The answer will be 4096. Answer will be 4096. So dear students, later on we will multiply 16 2 times. The answer will be 256. 16 into 1, 16. 16 into 0 equal to 1. Dear students, now we will multiply the number with the answers of the powers. Whenever we will multiply 5 into 4096, it means 4096. So dear students, whenever we will multiply 4096 with 5, the answer will be 20480. Dear students, when we will multiply 12 into 256, the answer will be 3072. Dear students, when we will multiply 16 with 6 or 6 into 16, the answer will be 96. And we will multiply 8 into 1, the answer will be 8. 12 into 256, answer will be 3072. 5 into 4096, the answer is 20,480. Now finally we will add all the numbers, all the values to receive the answer of decimal number system, Whenever we will add these numbers, the final value will become 23656. Hence 5668 hexadecimal number system is to 23656 decimal number system. Dear students, this is the end of your lecture. Now I am going to assign you some homework that you will have to solve and send me on our WhatsApp group. The homework for you people is that on book page number there are some questions. Select correct options for each question. Dear students, you will have to study or revise this chapter at your home and send me the answers of these MCQs questions on our WhatsApp group. This lecture ends. Still, Allah Hafiz.